Seemingly they don't move. Great, thanks.
You're not gonna blow dry my hair?
You just wait till you start talking to him to do